Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a lining and a zipper to this crochet bag. You're going to need a fabric, a zipper, a thread, a hand sewing needle, a measuring tape and a scissors. You're going to start by measuring your bag like this. From an edge to an edge, you measure it, place your tape at this point here and you measure till you get to the other side. So mine is about 12 inches. So you're going to replicate that same measurement on your fabric. You are going to cut out a square like this, leaving 1 inch for your sewing allowance. So for mine now I have 13 by 13 inches here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to turn this square into a circle. So I'm going to draw something that looks like a circle on this fabric, so I know how I'm going to fold it. So now you're going to fold like this. Now on this point here, you're going to cut out. You should make sure that what you marked is also reflecting on the front and back. And here we have a circle to work with. So you're going to place your zipper to that open space and you place it like that till you get to the end. And then you're going to mark that point and you place it on your circle like this. So where each of those points stop, you're going to mark it. After doing that, you should note that this fabric is placed front to front, so you are going to notch the point where you marked. So you are going to sew from this point here to this point here. So after sewing from this point to this point here, you're going to place your zipper on your fabric like this. Then you're going to pin this point. Then you're going to pin to the rest of the fabric. So you're going to repeat same for the other side. You're going to place this piece on a sewing machine and then you're going to sew from this point until you get to the end here. Now when you've gotten to this point, you're going to zip up like this and then you're going to start sewing from this point. You place your fabric on the zipper like this and then you're going to hold it till the end. So far I'm done sewing, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place this entire piece into the bag. Then we're going to be unsewing this zipper to the back. Doing that, you're going to place your thread into the sewing needle. You tie the edge. The first thing you're going to do now is to hide your thread. So now you go down to the zipper, then you come out to, you're going to cross this thread to the next space here, place your needle and you bust to this point. Make sure you are not too close to the zip. Then on that same space, you're going to go back. Then you cross to this point again. And then on that same point, you're going to go back. So it's coming out from that same point. So you go to the next space, place your needle, on that same space you're going to come out. So this is the process you're going to repeat until you get to the end here. So when you've gotten to this point, you're going to cross over to this point, and this is how I'm doing mine. So you're going to repeat the process the way you've been doing on this place, and you do that until you get to the end here. So when you've gotten to the end here, you're just going to find a way to weave in the end of this thread. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial, and I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to more people, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on more content to come. And I'll see you in my next video.